everybody asks me, what am I going to wear? What am I going to wear? I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to wear, but there are 6 options of what makeup I might do. I will be wearing on the red carpet. Not the clothes, just the makeup and possibly the hair. तो 2 इवेंट होते हैं. यूजुअली मैं एक इंडियन आउटफिट पहनती हूँ. I've made it a point. पहले साल मैंने मसाबा पहना था, फिर दूसरे साल मैंने अनामिका पहना था. अब मैं क्या पहने? I will wear one Indian outfit for sure, especially or more than one even. जी रांझना में तो मैं रांझना में it's Zoya's character. That is not Sonam at all, but वो बहुत ही small town लड़की हैं, traditional लड़की हैं. And I definitely can't wear 2 chotis and go to Cannes. ये transformation तो आपने किया है, because मैंने अपने आप को कभी icon समझा नहीं है, fashion icon. लोगों को मेरे कपड़े पसंद है जो मैं पहनती हूँ. I just feel like मैं कपड़े जो पहनती हूँ, I wear it because I enjoy wearing those clothes. And I think people understood कि I'm not trying to be something that I'm not. I just think कि जो हमारी जो सिनेमा है वो बहुत ही we've got a lot of emotion involved in our cinema. There's like it's a very emotional. I think Indian cinema is very emotional. The world is getting very, very small. So I don't know if we stand anywhere. I think now it's become world cinema. I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm extremely emotional. That's why I always get into trouble with you guys. Not with you guys, because y'all just say I'm an extremely emotional person. I'm very transparent. I've been learning Kathak from Jaipur and Lucknow Gharana under the tutelage of Uma Dogra ji.
Yes, I know her.
You know her?
Yeah.
And so for me, beauty is actually always something that actually reflects from inside. मैं क्या करती हूँ? हर whichever film I do, हमने मुझे dance क्यों नहीं करवाते हो आप लोग? They never make me dance. And in this, especially this year, I'm doing all these like non-commercial, like so-called non-commercial films. Hopefully they'll do well, touch wood. But I mean, I'm not being, especially Indian dance. Like now, it's all become like very like modern and like short clothes and dancing on the beach and all of that. And I've not been able to do like the Indian dance that I've like grown up learning, which is so sad. And that's something that I'm really passionate about. Like I used to look at Madhuri Dixit or like a Wahida Rehman or a Vaijayanti Mala or a Sri Devi doing their beautiful like classical thumris and tandavs and all of that on screen. And that is just completely gone, in the past 10 years. We are dancing in the rain, but we're dancing in a short white dress and not in a sari anymore. You know what I mean? Which is unfortunate because my strength is in Indian dancing. जी मैं इतना ही कह सकती हूँ कि मैं पिछले मतलब हमारी जो फैमिली है मुगले आजम के टाइम से इस इंडस्ट्री में रही है. मेरे जो दादा थे वो असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर थे मुगले आजम के टाइम, फिर वो प्रोड्यूसर बन गए. फिर उसके बाद मेरे पापा जो है वो पिछले 30 साल से इस इंडस्ट्री में हैं. तो आई थिंक वी आर बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री फॉर ऑलमोस्ट हाफ अ डेकेड. And we're extremely proud to be a part of it. And I think my celebration was doing an interview with Wahida Rehman ji. I think that was the most spectacular moment of my life, where I could sit down and I sat with her for a couple of hours and I spoke to her about Indian cinema. Honestly, I think Bollywood makeup has evolved over the years, in terms of just makeup. Like I know that there's a winged liner which Sharmila Tagore made extremely famous. Then there was Nutan Subtlety, where she just wanted to she had lashes in a very thin liner. Obviously there was Meena Kumari who loved drama, and then obviously there was Rekha and her red lips. Then there were the 80s where it was like the blue eyeshadow, which you see right now, the blue eyeshadow and the big earrings and the glossy mouth. And now we are in a time where we've got a multiple personality disorder where we do all sorts of makeup. We're in that time right now. So I think, every era has had an idea of makeup. And I think in this era that we're inspired by all sorts of makeup. I love men. I really do. But right now there's no man in my life. I'm very happy despite it. And I'm fortunate and happy because of it. But at the same time, I don't know what I'd do without my dad or my brother or my brothers who are like 5, 6 foot two tall hulks of men who don't let me do anything.